Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to download REDnote on Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now I'll tap on Play Store and over here on the bottom right you can find here is search. Tap on this and over here on the top you can see here is search apps and games. Tap on this and search for REDnote. After that, tap on this search icon and on the top you can see here is REDnote app. Just tap on this install and after that you can see it's being downloaded on my phone. The download speed depends on your device performance as well as your internet speed. Now as soon as it is downloaded, it will be automatically installed on our phone. So in my case you can see it's downloaded and is being installed on my phone. As soon as it is installed on our phone, we can easily use REDnote app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.